Welcome back to ClearTask. In this video, we are going to look at the fastest and most precise way to create a curved arrow in Microsoft PowerPoint. Open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you need the arrow. Head over to the top ribbon and click on the Insert tab. From there, select Shapes to open the drop-down menu. Look for the Line section and choose the Arc tool. Click and drag anywhere on your slide to draw the initial curve. Now let's turn this simple arc into an arrow. With the shape selected, go to the Shape Format tab at the top. Click on Shape Outline, scroll down to Arrows, and select the arrowhead style you prefer. To make the arrow stand out more, go back to Shape Outline, hover over Weight, and choose a thicker line. You can easily adjust the exact angle and length of your curved arrow by clicking and dragging the yellow control handles at either end of the shape. This gives you complete control to bend the arrow exactly around your text or other elements on the slide. That is all it takes to make a professional curved arrow in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching ClearTask. Subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tutorials.